Hey, hi, hello friends, Jallargu Namaskara, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your love and support on all my previous video. I'm back with another interesting food vlog, guys. Thank you so much for your love and support on all my previous videos. In the last 2 months I've got a really very good response, and thank you so much for being a part of the YouTube family. So guys, today is 23rd of June and time is around 6:45 now, and we are here in 13th Main of Indranagar, and we are going to visit the Umesh Refreshment, which is a part of Umesh Eateries. This particular eatery has become a lot of famous in social media platform like YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, and I have been hearing a lot of positive feedbacks about this particular place, and I really wanted to try it. And this particular eatery opens at 7 AM here in Indranagar 13th Main, just right in the main road, guys. No need not to have any landmark. Some of the signature dishes are dosas and idlis, guys, and I also heard they are pretty famous for Podi Idly. So without any further delay, let's go and do the food review, guys. I'm going to give the complete details of the food, the menu, the rate, the ambience, all these details in the channel. So please do watch the video completely, guys. And guys, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Harivivintravelvlog. I'm basically a travel enthusiast and a foodie. So you're going to see all travel and food related vlogs in that channel. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. I've got about 10 plus videos on food reviews and 100 plus videos on travel related contents. So please go and check my channel as well. So guys, without any further delay, let's go and taste the food, guys.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್, ಮಹೇಶ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಮೇಶ್ ದೋಸಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ UDPಲಿ ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ, ನಾನು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ UDP ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಖುಷಿಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಉಮೇಶ್ ದೋಸಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದ್ರನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ 21ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಂದ್ರನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕುಮಾರ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇದೆ. ಕುಮಾರ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಇಂದ್ರನಗರದ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು 2 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಐಟಮ್, ತುಪ್ಪದ ದೋಸೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ತುಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತುಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರ್ಧ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಧ ತುಪ್ಪ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಪ್ಪ ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ತುಪ್ಪದ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟಿಂದನೇ ಹಾಕೋದು ನಾವು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ತುಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಖಾರ ಬಾತು, ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತು, ರೈಸ್ ಬಾತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾವು ವಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಡೆ ಎಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ, ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ ಎಣ್ಣೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಫೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 180 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು 410 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲೀಟ್ರ್ ಎಣ್ಣೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಹೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಪ್ಪ ಇದಾಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 16 ಥರ ವೆರೈಟಿ ದೋಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಪ್ಪದ ಐಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು.
16 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್
16 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ದೋಸೆನಲ್ಲೇ ವೆರೈಟಿಲಿ 16 ದೋಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಪುಡಿ ಮಸಾಲೆ, ಪುಡಿ ಪ್ಲೇನು, ಆನಿಯನು, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಪುಡಿ ನಾವೇ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಬೇರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ಕುಮಾರ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿನೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಫುಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು 2 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 11 ಗಂಟೆನೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ರಾತ್ರಿ 11 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ಇಡ್ಲಿನಿ ದೋಸೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ರೈಸ್ ಬಾತು ಖಾರ ಬಾತು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಖಾರ ಬಾತು ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತು, ಇವಾಗ ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತಿದೆ. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತು ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಲಕ್ ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಉದ್ನೋಡೆ ಇದೆ. 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೈಸ್ ಬಾತ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಬಾತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ, ರಾಗಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ, ಚಪಾತಿ, ಪರೋಟ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಸ್ ಬಾತು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಸ್ ಬಾತ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕರ್ಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ರೈಸ್, ಕಾಂಬೋ ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ, ಲೆಮನ್ ರೈಸು. ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ. ಜೈನ್ಸ್ಗಂತೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಟ್ನಿನೂ ಜೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಇದು ಪುಡಿ ರೈಸು ಜೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಮನ್ ರೈಸು ಜೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚಟ್ನಿನೂ ಜೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್
ದೋಸೆ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಉಮೇಶ್ ದೋಸಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೋಸೆನೇ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ದೋಸೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಉಮೇಶ್ ದೋಸಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೋಸೆ. ಇದು 3ನೇ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಮಾರ ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು 3ನೇ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. 7 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದ್ರನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒತ್ತಾಯದ ಮೇರೆನೇ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬನ್ನಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are at the most interesting and the favorite part of the vlog now. I keep saying that because I'm so excited. After seeing the food, everybody gets excited, right? So we have got all the dishes over here, main dishes. We have got the Masala Podi Dosa over here, which is a signature dish over here. They are actually known for their dosa actually. And we also, along with that, we have got some palak rice, bisibala bath, uppitu, and we have got the kesari bath, guys. As you've seen in the video, they're actually meant for their particular dosa, and their signature is podi. So you get all your ghee podi idli, podi idli, you have open podi dosa, podi masala dosa, and all the other podi items which is related. The starting menu here starts at just 20 rupees, guys, and maximum it can go just goes up to only 180 rupees. They've got all the rice items and everything. The place is super cool, super hygiene, and the ambience is really very great. I couldn't show you behind because we are covering the entire camera. The place is actually crowded, and I highly recommend you to come and visit this place early in the morning, so everything is served very fresh and very delicious, guys. So as usual, so Danny has also joined the food review along with us. So you know Danny, we are doing a lot of food review together. I'll give the Danny's vlog details in the below description. Please do go and check it. He also has got an amazing channel. He's been along with me for a very couple of time in terms of traveling as well as the food review, and he does the vlog in Tamil. So please do go and check his channel as well, guys. So Danny, how are you today?
I'm very much looking forward to taste all these items. It's very tempting over there. Like it's so colorful over here. Like we have as Hari told, like we have bisibelabat and rice bath, kesari bath, and this is uppitu we have, and we have the special ghee podi dosa, which I'm going to taste it now and give you the all reviews over now. You can just keep watching and we'll have a taste and review over there.
So just by standing next together, the aroma of ghee is really tempting us, and the carving of us is actually getting more and more. So guys, let's do the food review. So guys, what we are going to do here is, the first thing that we are going to do is the review of the uppitu. So the texture looks really very nice. It has got a lot of peas, carrot, a lot of mixture of vegetables. The color is very mild and it is perfectly actually cooked. So as you can see over here, we have got cashews and all in the uppitu. So let's try the uppitu now.
Cheers.
Very amazing, guys. Perfectly cooked. Actually, I have got the flavor of all this vegetable and the rava. Guys, really amazing. Really very good. All this rava just rolls in your mouth because it is infused with the ghee, guys. Really amazing. So guys, moving on to the second dish, what we have is here is the palak rice. If you see the palak rice over here, it is greenish in color. Really looks very nice. Perfectly cooked. It's got amazing rice. Kind of a greenish with a lot of contrast over here in the palak rice. So we're trying the palak rice now.
இன்னொரு பைட் எடுக்கணும் அவ்வளோ நல்லா இருக்கு.
Really amazing, guys. It has got mild flavor of palak. Too good. It has got peas. Also again once again infused in masala. Really very amazing. It adds a pinch of spiciness to the rice. And the rice is perfectly cooked. It has got mild flavor. It was really amazing, guys. Very nice. Trust me. It's, the palak rice is really amazing. It has got that mild flavor, and the ghee just adds a top of advantage of this, making it a very good dish. Very nice. Guys, moving on to the third dish, what we have got is the bisibelabat. As you can see, this is also poured with ghee, so I'm gonna mix it very nicely. It's got a lot of vegetable, perfect color, and you can see a traditional kind of a feeling of bisibelabat over here. It looks too good. We've got diced chops of vegetables, carrot, and we also have peas also into it. So guys, we are tasting the bisibelabat now. The only thing missing over here is the bundi. I don't know if it's available or it's served just with the bisibelabat or without the bundi actually. But looks really amazing. Let's try it now. Oh my god. Mind blowing, guys. Mind blowing. Amazing, sexy bisibelabat. Top notch. Really amazing. Perfectly good. Really amazing. Masala is like very nice. With again infused with the ghee. It's really amazing, guys. Adds a lot of value advantage. Really blows your mind. All the flavors of burst of masala just rolling out in your mouth. Really amazing.
So guys, you can see the person standing next to me has literally finished the bismillah. He has not giving any even one spoon to me. He's licking the spoon even now. You can just see that.
So sorry guys, the bismillah was really outstanding. So I couldn't stop myself. So while Danny was doing vlog, I completely finished the bismillah. Again, not worry, bro. We'll order another plate. We will order one more plate especially for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay guys, now moving on to the fourth dish. What we have here is the kesari bath. The texture of this particular kesari bath also looks really amazing. Again, the main part is the softness. It is amazingly soft. Again, infused with the ghee. I think we have also got small pieces of pineapple over here. Too good, guys. Too good.
Awesome, guys.
Sexy. So guys, without any further delay, we are going to try the signature dish of Umesh Refreshment, which is the ghee Masala Dosa over here. It's really amazing, guys. It is completely infused with ghee. And what we have here is two kind of chutneys. And the dosa looks really very nice. I'm going to open and show it to you guys. Oh my god, look at that flavor. Lot of podi infused with again ghee. And the palya looks really amazing. Texture wise, 9 out of 10 guys. Really amazing. Wow, finger licking good, heavenly food. Just having one bite, it just touched my soul, guys. Too good and really amazing. Wow.
So guys, it's totally worth here. So you can definitely try, and we are not exaggerating. It's really too good. Out of the world taste we have. That aroma of the taste, like ghee and that palya we have in the center, right? It's top notch, guys. Top notch.
So guys, all the other complete details has been given to you in the vlog, and we have come to the end part of the vlog now. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, I'll see you soon with another interesting travel vlog. Until then, this is Harivivintravelvlog signing off along with Danny.
Bye guys.